Look at this toe right here. I don't know if you guys noticed that there's a little callus or like a nail growing on the side. That happens to some toe, and what I usually do is I just eliminate the corner here to reform this nail into like a normal nail, because nobody want to polish on this side. So watch me fix this area for her. I'm just gonna even it out. That's what I'm gonna do. Go ahead and just file this real quick. Soften it on here so that what we're gonna do is we're just gonna push back some of these extra skin so that we can see where the nails is locating. And so you should see, look at this big old chunk right here. See, you can lift it under it already, right there. I'm just gonna clean under here real quick. What I'm gonna do is first, I'm gonna slowly cut the cuticles. Just try clean as much as I can, and we're gonna take care of that afterward, because we want to make sure we have eyes to see on every single corner of this nail. All right, here we go. See, I'm gonna just cut it on top slowly, because sometimes you just go mayhem on the bottom, it can bleed. So, but look at that. You see that? Boom. There you go. Boom. Y'all see that? Y'all can see the toenail perfectly now, right? Just gonna cut this corner real quick. Look at that.
Never left and always went to school around home. What do you think her school experience would be like in that one?
Honestly, I think she's become a stronger advocate because she got to see the other side from a very young age. And we talked about Black history, we talked about the importance of her identity.
I went to an all-white school and I came out just fine.
She got to see that everyone doesn't have that.
I went to an all ghetto school.
Did you?
Yep, and I turned out all right. Still ghetto as fuck.
Yeah. But it's like, you know, that's what makes you stronger. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that adversity.
Adversity. And it's not, you know.
Adversity is not a bad thing. Like, I don't know why nowadays people are so scared of adversity.
Everybody's scared of everything.
Yeah, they scared of everything. Yeah, I'm gonna try. Look at that. Look at that, guys.
See, that was back then. Now it's not what I did.
Look at that, guys. Look at that toe. It was like out to here. Look at that.